collaboration is key to responsible personalized medicine, and a lot of work has been ongoing in terms of collaboration and dialogue with various kind of stakeholders, with scientists and between the publics, between various kind of stakeholder engagement has been going on with the government as well as with publics through public consultation. But one area that I feel has really missed attention here is collaboration between the developers and between researchers on one side and between regulators and health commissioners on the other side. And I think more attention in this area would be really beneficial towards implementation of personalized medicine.